So guys, I'm going to show you how to create your broker. You come to FBS, then you click on registration. So you're going to select your country of residence, which is Nigeria. Then you confirm. Now it's going to ask us if you want to sign up with Facebook, Google, or Apple. You're going to use your Google. It's easier and faster. Then you're going to select your, what is it called? You're going to select your email. I have plenty emails, but I'll just use a new one so you can understand the onboarding processes. Then it's going to confirm. Then it's going to take us to FBS. Then it's going to show us our name from our email and our email. Then click on proceed. Then now it's going to ask us for our date of birth. So you're just going to select your date of birth. Then click on save. Then now we already have our account. Now we're going to do express verification for you to deposit. So you're going to click on pass full verification. Then they're going to ask you for your biometrics. It's not like your fingerprint, but it asks for your NIN, what is it called? Your NIN, your driver's license, your tax ID, or what is it called again? Your international passport, any ID, means of identification you have, or your BVN. They'll ask for that. Now it's going to take time. We're going to ask you allow other countries except one below. So they're going to ask for where you're from. We're not from the United States of America, so you're going to click on other country, that is Nigeria. Then click on continue. Then once you're done, they're going to ask for your NIN or your bank verification number, your national identification number, or you can upload documents. I'm just going to go straight to the point and click on NIN because I know it often. So guys, I have successfully verified my ID. After I typed in my NIN, and after typing your NIN, you're going to ask for facial verification to verify if you are of age. You know, if you're not like someone who is underage, because it's only 18 plus that can create what is it called, a broker account. And so this is the standard account. It's automatically create a standard account for you. This is the account you're going to deposit and use it to take a trade. This is our login, password, and our leverage. So we're going to edit this also. This is our balance 0 because the new account. They are going to select Islamic account so they're not going to be taxing you for overnight trades or overnight fee. Then we need to change the leverage. The leverage needs to change from 1:200 to 30,000 so that they can give us we can be able to open enough trade. So we're going to confirm it. It's now 1,300. So this is the information we're going to put to MetaTrader 5. I'm going to be showing you in the next video on how to link your MetaTrader 5 to what is it called, your FBS account to MetaTrader 5. This is MT5. It's only MT5 you're going to select. As you can see, automatically they've already verified my verification, so I can now deposit on it and take some trades. So the next video now is going to be how you're going to link it to MetaTrader 5. So guys, this is our login and our password. So what we're going to do now is going to go to MetaTrader 5 to confirm. You understand? So what we're going to do now is going to copy our login and we're going to copy our password. Then we go to MT5. I'm going to pause this then continue later. Alright guys, so we are currently on MetaTrader 5. Once you open MetaTrader 5, if you just download the app, this is where you're going to see add trading account. So what we're going to do now is going to click on add trading account. Then we want to find our broker. The broker we're using is FBS, but because of you have not used MT5 before, you're not going to see it yet. So what you're going to do is you're going to search for FBS. So you're going to search for FBS over here. You search for FBS and it's going to search for it. Then you click on FBS Markets Inc. Then you click on it. Then you're going to see demo, but we created a real account. So what we're going to do is now we're going to tap on FBS demo. Then you're going to see real. You click on real. Then for the password, you're going to come over here and tap on this one. This is our login ID. Then the next one we're going to paste our is our password. Then we tap on it. So once you do that, you're going to make sure it saves the password. So it's a real account. This is not a demo account. So we're going to click on real, then we're going to click on login. Then it is going to save. Then as you can see, it has officially logged in. So this is how we are able to log into our FBS account. As you can see, $0 because we just opened the broker account, and this is the pairs. So if you want to edit pairs and add pairs, you're going to click on this pencil icon, then you tap on it, then you select. These are not the pairs I trade. I don't trade all these minor pairs on Forex. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on add symbol, then we search for gold. Gold is what we trade with XAUSD, then EURUSD, GBP USD, and what else again? I think USD CHF, USD card, and also US 100, Nasdaq. Then we have Wall Street. No, I think I also trade Tesla once in a while. Then also Nvidia, and these are stocks. Then we have US 500. Yeah, so these are the pairs I actually trade. Odd card, I don't trade odd card. So to cancel odd card, I'm gonna come on this pencil over here, then odd card. So these are the pairs I trade. Gold is my number one. Gold is currently at 5,000. I keep telling niggas to trade gold, they don't listen every time. Last week it was at 4,500. when it was pulling back, now it's at 5,000, and so gold is the best pair to trade. So these are the pairs I'm trading for now, but my top is XAUSD, GBP USD, Nvidia, US 500, US 100, and Tesla, and those are the ones I actually trade.